Not stepping on it, just, you know, nicely pulling to what, maybe 5 grand. Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Today we're hanging out in the shop. We're going to show you a brand new system from MBRP. It's a system you guys have been asking for. You can see I've got a 2015 to 2020 F-150 on the hoist, but before we check that out, let's see what the factory sent us. So this is a pretty big system. Obviously it's a catback from the factory. We've got rusty, well, you know what? We've got rusty just about everything, but we've got a front factory resonator, maybe 2.5 inch pipe here for a mid pipe, big suitcase muffler, which, you know what? For the factory, it does its job. Anyone performance minded, this doesn't work. And then we're gonna finish this up with, you know what? Stock tailpipe and you know what? The factory at least tried to give you a chrome or stainless tip, whatever it is. It looks like it's, well, doesn't look like either right now. But regardless, this is factory. This is the F-150. Let's jump underneath here. I'll show you what you guys can now get from MBRP. Now quickly, as you guys know, MBRP is a compliant company, so we're always a catback. This particular catback, you're gonna see that we have a band clamp right here, and you're gonna see we have a resonator right here. So just like the factory setup, but we've made it better. It's all high flow, it's all 3-inch tubing, but this kit, every time you order this part number, which is 5281, you get both the resonator or a resonator bypass pipe. Your choice. We're gonna drive both these today. You're gonna hear clips in both of them. This is the more aggressive version with the resonator left out. And if you want it quieter or the wife says, hey, it's just too loud, we throw this in and everybody's happy. So let's talk about the system. Direct bolt on to the cat pipe, factory cat pipe. In this case, as I said, we've got the muffler or the resonator bypass pipe in. We've got mid pipe. We've got our band clamp, high flow, straight through, highest flow possible muffler that works and makes power on the dyno. 3-inch tail. Now here's the good part about all our tailpipes, and we spend a lot of time doing this. We make sure that you can still wheel this vehicle. Look at all the clearance, way more than factory setup. So you're never going to be having interference if you happen to be off-roading and wheeling this vehicle as such. So lots of clearance. And then here's the new part. And this is what you guys have been asking for. You wanted a single, easy to install, low cost system that has dual tips. So we've got a dual tip, single, catback, bolt-on, direct from MBRP. You're gonna see here, we've got our bevel 4-inch slash cuts. And you know what? It's just about as easy as that. This install, it takes more time to take that one out in one piece than it does to put this one on. So there you have it. This one's all done. It is available in AL. It's available in 304. And of course, it's available in the MBRP BLK system as well. This one's all done. We're gonna get it on the ground. We're taking it for a rip. All right, guys, we got the F-150 down on the ground. I'm gonna take it for a little rip. You know, I just kind of call this my commentary. I'll let you guys, I'll give you a little feedback on just daily driving this F-150 with the MBRP single 3-inch catback and the dual slash cut tips. So here we are, you know what? We just come out of a subdivision, we're running down the road. I mean, we could be literally driving to work, doing whatever. We got friends and family in the car. Remember, this is the resonator is not installed. So everything you hear is going to be just a little bit more aggressive than if we had to put the resonator in. But I mean, even right now, having this conversation, I mean, we could hold a conversation. We could have kids in the back. They're going to hear what we say. I mean, and we're just literally, you know, cruising along at, you know, roughly 50 miles an hour and, you know, under 1,500 RPM. So pretty mellow, pretty easy. I'm going to go into manual just to sort of force, you know, downshifts. It's funny, the guys were moving this around the shop, around the laneway a little bit, and I said, it sounds more like a muscle car than it does
a pickup truck or a late model pickup truck, so I kind of like that. Okay, we're just back in drive. I'm gonna let the truck do its thing, and you know, so here we are climbing a hill. It's down in 4th right now, but there's more sound there for sure. We'll step on it here in a minute, but again, it's gonna come through the gears, 5th and 6th. You know, keep in mind, this F-150 has been in production for a long time for MBRP. This is the sound, I mean, it's one of our best-selling systems. This is new with the dual tips, a single exhaust and dual tip, but this sound is pretty consistent with our 3-inch catback setups. Aesthetically different now with the dual tips. But this is a sound that you guys have enjoyed for many, many years now. So, you know, for some of you Ford guys that already have a system for MBRP, I'm not telling you anything you don't already know. For those of you that have 2015 to 2020 F-150s and don't have MBRP, then hopefully this is some news to you and give you a little bit of insight to the sound. But we're excited to just keep bringing this particular sound. Like, you know, I'm in automatic, but you know, letting it, that I love the sound of that. You know, and if I happen to put my foot into a little more, you know what? That's still not obnoxious. Like, that's the best part about it. It's a really tight muscle car sound without really ever being obnoxious. So as I started this video out, you can have a conversation, you can chat, you can do whatever, and yet, you know, if we put our foot into it, yeah, you're going to turn heads. Guys at the gas station, you know, as you go ripping on by, they're going to turn around and go, wow, that sounds great. I love these trucks. They downshift so nicely, and then this sound just says performance. So that was second you heard. We can even pull it into 1st gear. I'm not even on the brakes. Just, to me, I love that sound. Going through the gears. Not stepping on it, just, you know, nicely pulling to what, maybe 5 grand. Super, super sound. There you have it, back to drive. All right, so we're gonna rip the truck back home, put the resonator in place, and then we'll pull it out in the laneway and give it a couple rips so you guys can hear the difference between the laneway runs where resonator in or resonator out.